it's Megan with WTI. My husband and I love making a great big brunch at home. That's why I really wanted a griddle that could deliver a great stack of fluffy pancakes. This Zojirushi griddle has totally delivered on that and much more. I love that it has a cover that protects it from dirt and from getting scratched. It has a pretty large cooking surface that can cook a lot of food at one time. So this makes this griddle great for hosting guests. And unlike other griddles that I've used, there's no hot spots or cold spots. It provides even heating over the entire cooking surface. It delivers golden brown pancakes and evenly seared meats. And I really like how it offers a very precise temperature control with a wide range of heating. This makes it great for cooking a wide variety of foods on the cooking surface. And one of my favorite things about this griddle is how easy it is to clean. Often if I'm cooking something with low grease or low spatter, I can just take a damp cloth and wipe it down after using. For bigger messes, all I have to do is take the cooking surface out completely, and it's totally submersible in water, and I can give it a really thorough cleaning. I have really enjoyed preparing a wide variety of meals on this great quality griddle. And that's my point of view.